Revision of money. Amount in words. Here we have rupees 15 and 75 paisa. How to write? You will write like this, rupees 15 and 75 paisa. In place of dot, we will write and. Rupees 43 and 80 paise. Again here, amount in figures, rupees 16 and 20 paisa. Symbol of rupee is this, 16. In place of and, you put dot, and here 20. So here we have rupees 16 and 20 paisa. Rupees 10 and 80 paisa. So this is a simple way, very easy, how to put symbol in place of rupees and how to put rupees in place of symbol. Converting paisa into rupees. Rupees 5 and 50 paisa. It is very simple. Just do rupees 5.50. Take away paisa and put dot. This is only how to put dot and how to remove dot. So here we have rupees 5.50 means rupees 5 and 50 paisa. Here we have rupees 8 dot. Now look at here. Paisa is in one digit. So what to do? Put 0 before one digit. So here we have rupees 8 and 3 paisa. Again converting rupees into paisa. What to do? What to do? Just write this number 565 and put paisa here. This is only very too much fun here. Just to remove the dot, just to put the dot. Only this is for you class 3. Now what to do here? 10.05 paise. Remove symbol and remove the dot. Here put symbol and put the dot. This is the way to make paisa into rupees and converting rupees into paise. This is very easy, addition and subtraction. Make a columns. Now here we have column like this. Write rupees once and paisa once. 58 rupees 40 paisa, 22 rupees 30 paisa. Here we have 43 rupees 90 paisa, 23 rupees 80 paisa. Simple addition. 0, 4 plus 3, 7, 8 plus 2, 10, carry over 1, 5 plus 2, 7 and 1, 8. So this is the answer. Again put like this. Answer is rupees 80 and 70 paisa. That is same here. 0 minus 0, 0. 9 minus 8, 1. 3 minus 3, 0. 4 minus 2, 2. So what to do? Write here rupees 20 and 10 paisa. So the addition and subtraction of money is same like we have done in numbers. Revision of money. So here we have multiplication and division. Now rupees 27 and 30 paisa by 3. Now what to do? Don't write symbol of rupee. Don't write dot. Just take simple numbers here and multiply by 3. 3 zeros are 0. 3 threes are 9. 3 sevens are 21. 1 is here. 2 is here. 3 twos are 6, 7, 8. So now write the answer. Again take rupees and then dot after two numbers. So this is the answer. Rupees 81 and 90 paisa. Nothing to do. Multiplication is same as we have done earlier. Just remove the symbol. Just remove the dot. Then do the multiplication. And when you put the answer, take it here again. Rupees and dot. 350 and 55 paisa divide by 5. What to do? Take only number. Take only number and simple division. Simple division. 3 is less than 5. So take two numbers. 5 sevens are 35. Now 0, 0. Now take here 0. 5 zeros are 0. This is very important step. This one. Whenever we have 0, put it in proper column like that. 5 zeros are 0. Now take 5 down. 5 ones are 5. Again 0. Take another 5 down. 5 ones are 5. So the remainder is 0. Now take answer here. Again put it rupees 70.11. So this is the way to solve division sum in money. Simple division, as here you have done simple multiplication, remove rupees, remove dot, and in the answer put rupees, put dot. In division also, remove symbol rupees, remove dot, then do simple division. Again 5 sevens are 35, 0 0, then take 0 here, 5 zeros are 0, then take 5 down, 5 ones are 5, again 5 down, this one. So here again put rupees and put dot. So multiplication and division sums are like that. Put each of the following in proper column and subtract. You all know very well how to put in columns. So this is column, means write once time rupees and one time paisa. So whenever we have from, means after from, that is larger number, this one is smaller. So large number upper side, 380. Now here we have no paisa, so put here 0 0. Now this is a smaller one, this one is like that, and 75. Now minus this, 0 minus 5 not possible, so borrow from here, but again here we have 0, so come to this side. Again we have 0, so what to do? Here it is 7 and here it is 10. Now this one, here we have 9 and here we have 10. Again here, this one is 10 and this is 9. First we have to complete this procedure. Now 10 minus 5 we have 5. 9 minus 7 we have 2. 9 minus 1 we have 8. 7 minus 6 we have 1. 3 minus 1 we have 2. So this is the important part of subtraction. Then whenever we have no amount or no number in paisa, you put 0 0 and take bigger side up. After from whatever the amount is, that should be upper side. Then you do it according to that. 0 minus 5 is not possible. So go here and borrow one number. But again we have 0. Then go here, borrow one number. Again we have 0. So finally 8 is here. 8 is giving 1 here. So 7 is left. Now here we have 10. Now 10 is giving one number to here. Again 9 is left. Now 10 is here. Now 10 is giving a number to here. Again here we have 10. Whenever the amount is here, means if you are giving one number, means number is here like 10. Okay. So it is better if you put like circles and follow this procedure. After that you do subtraction. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 1, 8. 7 minus 6, 1. 3 minus 1, 2. So the answer is rupees 218 and 25 paise.